How to turn on single column view on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on single column view on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this this Opera icon here, and now click this one and then go down until you find here this one, page layout, and click on it. And now you will find this one, single column view, and if you want to turn it on, just one click. And as you see now, single column view has been turned off, has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just one click. And that's how to turn on single column view on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.